Keystrokes. Web browsing keystrokes. Note: the JAWS help system includes detailed information about using the internet. In your browser, press and hold insert and press F1 twice quickly. Once JAWS help is open, press F6 to move to the help topic window. General. Description keystroke. Go back a page Alt plus left arrow or backspace. Go forward a page Alt plus right arrow. Read address bar insert plus A next link tab prior link shift plus tab open link enter list frames insert plus F9 list links insert plus F7 list headings insert plus F6 heading at level 1 through 6 virtual HTML features insert plus F3 JAWS find next and previous F3 and shift plus F3. Assign custom label control plus insert plus tab description keystroke. ARIA drag and drop Windows key plus control plus equals. ARIA live region text filter Windows key plus control plus dash. Open flexible web wizard insert plus spacebar followed by X. Temporarily toggle smart navigation. Insert plus X. Tab browsing quick keys description keystroke. Open a new tab control plus T. Open a new tab from the address bar. Alt plus enter on address bar. Switch to the next tab control plus tab. Switch to the previous tab control plus shift plus tab. Switch to a specific tab number control plus N, where N is a digit from 1 through 8. Switch to last tab control plus 9. Close current tab control plus W or control plus F4. Close all tabs Alt plus F4. Close other tabs control plus Alt plus F4. Open links in the new tab in the background. Control plus enter. Open links in the new tab in the foreground. Control plus shift plus enter. Navigation quick keys. Tip: if you hold down shift before pressing one of the following navigation quick keys, you can move to the previous instance of that element. For example, press A to move to the next radio button, press shift plus A to move to the previous radio button. In addition, if you hold down Control plus Insert while pressing keystrokes with an asterisk star next to them, JAWS displays a list of those elements on the page. Description keystroke next radio button A star. Next button B star. Next combo box, list box, or tree view. C star. Next different element D. Next edit box E star. Next form Control F. Next graphic G star. Next heading H. Next item in the list I jump to line J star. Next place marker K star. Next list L star. Next frame M. Skip past links N. Next article O star. Next paragraph P star. Description keystroke move to main region Q. Next region R star. Next same element S. Next table T star. Next unvisited link U. Next visited link V. Next checkbox X star. Next division Z star. Next tab control apostrophe star. Next separator dash. Next clickable element slash star. Next mouse over element semicolon star. Next element shift plus period. Previous element shift plus comma. Forms. Description keystroke enter forms mode enter exit forms mode numpad plus list form fields insert plus F5 first form field insert plus control plus home next form field F. Prior form field shift plus F last form field insert plus control plus N next radio button A. Prior radio button shift plus A list radio buttons control plus insert plus A next button B. Prior button shift plus B. List buttons control plus insert plus B. Next combo box, list box, or tree view. C. Prior combo box, list box, or tree view. Shift plus C. List combo boxes, list boxes, or tree views. Control plus insert plus C. Next edit box E. Prior edit box shift plus E. List edit boxes control plus insert plus E. Description keystroke next checkbox X. Prior checkbox shift plus X. List checkboxes control plus insert plus X. Tables. Description keystroke. List keystrokes for table navigation. Insert plus spacebar followed by T and then question mark next table T. Prior table shift plus T. Select table F8. Next row Windows key plus Alt plus down arrow. Prior row Windows key plus Alt plus up arrow. Read row Windows key plus comma or Windows key plus numpad 5. Next column Windows key plus Alt plus right arrow. Prior column Windows key plus Alt plus left. Arrow read column Windows key plus period next cell in row Alt plus control plus right arrow prior cell in row Alt plus control plus left arrow cell below in column Alt plus control plus down arrow description keystroke. Cell above in column Alt plus Control plus up arrow jump to table cell Control plus Windows key plus J return to previous cell Control plus Windows key plus Shift plus J place markers. Description keystroke. Set temporary place marker permanent marker for word Control plus Windows key plus K. Add, delete, edit, or rename permanent place markers Control plus Shift plus K. Move to the next or prior place marker. K or Shift plus K. Read text at place markers 1 through 4. Number row key 7 through 0. Move to place marker 1 through 4. Shift plus number row key 7 through 0. Return to place marker and word Alt plus Windows key plus K. Select text from place marker to cursor position. Insert plus spacebar followed by M. Frames. Description keystroke next frame M prior frame Shift plus M list frames insert plus F9. Elements. Description keystroke next same element S prior same element Shift plus S next different element D prior different element Shift plus D next element Shift plus period prior element Shift plus comma select entire element F8. Display entire element Shift plus insert plus F1. Display detailed element information. Control plus Shift plus insert plus F1. Activate mouse over insert plus Control plus enter desktop and laptop keystrokes. For reading text. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Save. Character numpad 5 caps lock plus comma. Save. Character phonetically numpad 5 twice quickly caps. Lock plus comma twice quickly. Say prior character left arrow caps lock plus M. Say next character right arrow caps lock plus period description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Say word insert plus numpad 5 caps lock plus K. Spell word insert plus numpad 5 twice quickly. Caps lock plus K twice quickly. Say prior word. Insert plus left arrow caps lock plus J. Say next word. Insert plus right arrow caps lock plus L. Say line insert plus up arrow caps lock plus I. Spell line insert plus up arrow twice quickly. Caps lock plus I twice quickly. Say prior line. Up arrow caps lock plus U. Say next line. Down arrow caps lock plus O. Say. Sentence Alt plus numpad 5 caps lock plus H. Say prior sentence Alt plus up arrow caps lock plus Y. Say next sentence Alt plus down arrow caps lock plus N. Say. Paragraph Control plus numpad 5 caps lock plus Control plus I. Say prior paragraph Control plus up arrow caps lock plus Control plus U. Say next paragraph Control plus down arrow caps lock plus Control plus O. Say the cursor insert plus home caps lock plus Shift plus J description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Say from cursor. Insert plus page up caps lock plus Shift plus L. Say all insert plus down arrow caps lock plus A. Rewind. During say all. Left arrow. Fast. Forward. During say all. Right arrow. Say color insert plus 5 on the numbers row caps lock plus 5. Increase voice rate during say all. Page up. Decrease voice rate during say all. Page down. Temporarily increase. Voice rate when not in say all. Alt plus Control plus page up Alt plus Control plus page up. Temporarily decrease voice rate when not in say all. Alt plus Control plus page down Alt plus Control plus page down. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Permanently increase. Voice rate when not in say all. Alt plus Windows. Key plus Control plus page up Alt plus Windows. Key plus Control plus page up. Permanently decrease. Voice rate when not in say all. Alt plus Windows. Key plus Control plus page down Alt plus Windows Key plus Control plus page down. Start skin reading Control plus insert plus down arrow. Caps. Lock plus Control plus down arrow. Change skin. Reading. Preferences Control plus Shift plus insert plus down arrow. Caps. Lock plus Control plus Shift plus down arrow. Toggle full speech. Speech on demand. Default or mute. Speech insert plus spacebar followed by S. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by S. Toggle. Speech on demand or mute. Speech full. Speech must be disabled. Insert plus spacebar, followed by Shift plus S. Caps. Lock plus spacebar, followed by Shift plus S. Informational. Description desktop keystroke laptop. Keystroke interrupt speech control say font insert plus F caps lock plus F. Say window title insert plus T caps lock plus T. Say window prompt and text. Insert plus tab caps lock plus tab. JAWS find control plus insert plus F caps lock plus control plus F. JAWS find next insert plus F3 caps lock plus F3. JAWS find previous insert plus Shift plus F3 caps lock plus Shift plus F3. Say top line of window. Insert plus N caps lock plus Shift plus Y. Say bottom line of window. Insert plus page down caps lock plus Shift plus N. Say selected text insert plus Shift plus down arrow. Caps. Lock plus Shift plus A. Get application version. Control plus insert plus V caps lock plus control plus V. For cursors and mouse. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. PC cursor numpad plus caps lock plus semicolon. JAWS cursor numpad minus caps lock plus P. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Touch cursor Shift plus numpad plus. Caps. Lock plus Shift plus semicolon. Root PC cursor to JAWS. Cursor insert plus numpad plus. Caps. Lock plus apostrophe. Root JAWS. Cursor to PC cursor. Insert plus numpad minus. Caps lock plus left bracket. Left mouse button. Numpad slash caps lock plus 8. Right mouse button. Numpad star caps lock plus 9. Drag and drop. Control plus insert plus numpad slash. Caps lock plus control plus 8. Restrict JAWS cursor insert plus R caps lock plus R. For dialog boxes. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Say default button of dialog box. Insert plus E caps lock plus E. Read window from top to bottom. Insert plus B caps lock plus B. Read word and context. Insert plus C caps lock plus C. Say current. Control Alt key Shift plus numpad 5 caps. Lock plus Shift plus comma open combo box Alt plus down arrow. Alt plus down arrow. Close combo box Alt plus up arrow Alt plus up arrow. Announce progress bar status. Insert plus tab caps lock plus tab. For help. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. JAWS. Command search. Insert plus spacebar followed by J. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by J. Context. Sensitive help insert plus F1 caps lock plus F1. Keyboard help insert plus 1 caps lock plus 1. JAWS help for applications insert plus F1 twice quickly. Caps lock plus F1 twice quickly. Hotkey help insert plus H caps. Lock plus control plus Shift plus H. Windows key help. Insert plus W caps lock plus W. Miscellaneous. Description desktop keystrokes laptop keystrokes. JAWS window insert plus J caps. Lock plus control plus Shift plus J refresh screen insert plus S caps lock plus S quick settings insert plus V caps lock plus V description desktop keystrokes laptop keystrokes. Run JAWS manager insert plus F2 caps lock plus F2. Shut down JAWS. Insert plus F4 caps lock plus F4. Window list dialog. Insert plus F10 caps lock plus F10. Select A. System tray icon dialog insert plus F11 caps lock plus F11. Say system time. Insert plus F12 caps lock plus F12. Graphics labeler insert plus G caps lock plus G. Auto graphics labeler. Control plus insert plus G caps lock plus control plus G. Passkey through insert plus 3 on the numbers row. Caps lock plus 3. Virtualize window Alt plus insert plus W Alt plus caps lock plus W. Virtualize. Current control Alt plus Shift plus insert plus W Alt plus caps lock plus Shift plus W. Select scheme Alt plus insert plus S Alt plus caps lock plus S. Select. Language control plus Windows key plus L. Control plus Windows key plus L. Select voice profile. Control plus insert plus S caps lock plus Control plus S. Description desktop keystrokes laptop keystrokes. Read columns 1 through 10 of a list view. Control plus insert plus N, where N is a value from 1, 2, 3 through 0. Caps lock plus Control plus N, where N is a value from 1, 2, 3 through 0. Copy selected text to. Clipboard insert plus Windows key plus C. Caps. Lock plus Windows key plus C. Show speech history. Insert plus spacebar followed by H. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by H. Toggle audio ducking. Windows 8.1 and later. Insert plus spacebar followed by D. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by D. Toggle default mode used for troubleshooting. Insert plus spacebar followed by Z. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by Z. Toggle screen shade. Insert plus spacebar followed by F11. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by F11. For frames. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Frame at top left. Control plus shift plus left bracket. Control plus shift plus left bracket. Frame at bottom right. Control plus shift plus right bracket. Control plus shift plus right bracket. Frame set to window. Control plus shift plus left bracket twice quickly. Control plus shift plus left bracket twice quickly. For JAWS tandem. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. End JAWS tandem. Session insert plus Alt plus T insert plus Alt plus T. Toggle between target and controller desktop controller user only insert plus Alt plus tab insert plus Alt plus tab. Toggle. Video on or off on. Controller user only insert plus Control plus Shift plus V insert plus Control plus Shift plus V. For research it. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Open research it insert plus spacebar followed by R. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by R. Launch research it using the primary lookup source. Insert plus Windows key plus R. Caps. Lock plus Windows key plus R. For convenient OCR. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Acquire image from camera or scanner. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then A caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then A. Recognize. Currently selected image file. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then F caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then F. Recognize current PDF document. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then D caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then D. Recognize current application window. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then W. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then W. Recognize entire screen. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then S caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then S. Recognize. Currently selected control. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then C caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then C. Cancel. Recognition while in progress. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then Q caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then Q. Announce help message for OCR commands. Insert plus spacebar followed by O and then question mark caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by O and then question mark. For mouse echo. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Toggle mouse echo. Insert plus spacebar followed by E and then O caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by E and then O. Speak character. Insert plus spacebar followed by E and then C caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by E and then C. Speak word. Insert plus spacebar followed by E and then W. Caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by E and then W. Speak line. Insert plus spacebar followed by E and then L caps. Lock plus spacebar followed by E and then L. Description desktop keystroke laptop keystroke. Speak paragraph. Insert plus spacebar followed by E and then P caps. Lock plus spacebar, followed by E and then P. Announce help message for mouse echo commands. Insert plus spacebar, followed by E and then question mark caps. Lock plus spacebar, followed by E and then question mark. For touch cursor. Description desktop keystroke, laptop keystroke. Touch cursor shift plus numpad plus. Caps. Lock plus shift plus semicolon. Next. Element right arrow or tab. Right arrow or tab. Prior. Element left arrow or shift plus tab. Left arrow or shift plus tab. Next. Element by type. Down arrow. Prior. Element by type. Up arrow. Cycle. Through element navigation types. Page up or page down. Page up or page down. First. Element control plus home. Description desktop keystroke, laptop keystroke. Last. Element control plus end. Save. Current element insert plus up arrow caps lock plus I. Say all. With touch cursor. Insert plus down arrow. Caps lock plus down arrow. Root touch. Cursor to focused element insert plus numpad plus. Caps lock plus apostrophe. Root touch. Cursor to JAWS. Cursor insert plus shift plus numpad plus. Caps. Lock plus shift plus apostrophe. Root JAWS. Cursor to touch. Cursor insert plus shift plus numpad minus. Caps lock plus shift plus left bracket. Text. Review numpad slasher insert plus enter caps lock plus enter. Advanced navigation numpad star caps lock plus A. Windows keystrokes general. Description keystroke get help F1 open the start menu control plus S open Windows Explorer Windows key plus E open run dialog Windows key plus R find file or folder from desktop F3. Minimize all applications Windows key plus M. Switch between open applications. Alt plus tab. Quit the active application Alt plus F4 for Windows and menus. Description keystroke. Open the application control menu. Alt plus spacebar. Move the current applications menu bar. Alt. Choose a menu item enter move between menus Alt arrow keys. Cancel or close a menu list. Cancel or close a cascading menu. Alt. Open the child window control menu. Alt plus dash. Close the child window control plus F4. Open the context menu applications key or shift plus F10. For dialog boxes. Description keystroke. Move through dialog controls tab. Move backward through dialog controls. Shift plus tab. Move to another page control plus tab. Reverse direction through pages. Control plus shift plus tab. Select or deselect and list view spacebar or. Control plus spacebar toggle a checkbox on slash off spacebar for reading text. Description keystroke move one character left arrow move one character right arrow move one word left control plus left arrow move one word right control plus right arrow move to beginning of line home. Move to end of line end description keystroke move one paragraph up control plus up arrow move one paragraph down control plus down arrow scroll up one screen page up scroll down one screen page down move to beginning control plus home move to end control plus end for editing text. Description keystroke copy control plus C cut control plus X. Paste control plus V. Read clipboard contents desktop or laptop layout Windows key plus insert plus X or Windows key plus caps lock plus X. Virtualize clipboard contents desktop or laptop layout. Insert plus spacebar followed by C or caps lock plus spacebar followed by C. Undo control plus Z delete current character delete prior character backspace select one character left shift plus left arrow select one character right shift plus right arrow select one word left control plus shift plus left arrow select one word right control plus shift plus right arrow description keystroke select the beginning of line shift plus home select the end of line shift plus end select the beginning control plus shift plus home select the end control plus shift plus end select all control plus A for Windows Explorer. Description keystroke delete files delete. Rename a file or folder F2. Open properties for selected file or folder. Alt plus enter. Refresh a window F5. Switch between panes tab and shift plus tab go up one level backspace. Touch gestures. Gestures for touch navigation, text reading, and speech settings. Gesture touch navigation text reading speech settings. One finger tap. Speak the element at the current location continuously move your finger around the screen to explore. Speak the element at the current location continuously move your finger around the screen to explore dash. Split tap speak the character at the current location while exploring or activate the selected touch keyboard. Button in both standard and touch typing modes. Speak the character at the current location while exploring or activate the selected touch keyboard button in both standard and touch typing modes dash. Gesture touch navigation text reading speech settings. Split double tap. Speak the word at the current location while exploring or open and close the panel of alternative keys related to the selected touch keyboard. Button in touch typing mode speak the word at the current location while exploring or open and close the panel of alternative keys related to the selected touch keyboard button in touch typing mode dash. Flick right or left. Next or prior element. Next or prior character increase or decrease speech rate. Flick down or up. Next or prior element of the type previously set by two-finger flick right or left or changes the value with slider controls. Next or prior line or anywhere that up/down arrow works to move by line. Decrease or increase name volume. Settings two-finger flick right or left. Cycle forward or backward through. Element navigation. Types, such as regions, headings, list items, etc. Next or prior word dash. Gesture touch navigation text reading speech settings. Two-finger flick up. Say current element. Prior paragraph. Performs a control plus up arrow. Two-finger flick down say all next paragraph performs a control plus down arrow. Triple tap select or clear an item in the list or open and close the panel of alternative keys related to the selected touch. Keyboard button in standard. Typing mode toggle text selection toggles touch cursor on /off two-finger triple tap speak selected text. Speak selected text dash. Three-finger flick right or left. Performs a tab or shift plus tab enter beginning of current line performs a JAWS end/home dash. Gesture touch navigation text reading speech settings. Three-finger flick up or down. Cycle between application. Pane similar to pressing F6 or shift plus F6. Beginning or end of text area performs a control plus home/end dash. Four-finger flick up or down. First or last element. Move up or down a page or screen performs a page up/down. Four-finger swipe down say all a single tap anywhere on the screen stops reading dash. Four-finger swipe down up. Toggles. Windows touch keyboard on /off toggles Windows touch keyboard on /off dash. Four-finger double tap list gestures for touch. Navigation list gestures for text reading. List gestures for speech settings. Gestures for general Windows and JAWS commands. Gesture action. Double tap activate the current element or touch keyboard button in standard typing mode works for both touch navigation and text reading. Two-finger swipe right left. Escape performs ESC for both touch navigation and text reading. Two-finger swipe up down. Close application for both touch navigation and text reading. Gesture action. Three-finger swipe down up toggle text review window for elements with text names that do not support standard cursor navigation, such as buttons and list items. Two-finger tap silence speech. Two-finger double tap. Same as pressing the application's key. Two-finger rotate clockwise. Set next gesture mode. Two-finger rotate counterclockwise set prior gesture mode. Three-finger double tap toggle speech on /off. Four-finger tap display gesture context help. Four-finger triple tap. Gesture practice mode, similar to keyboard help. Four-finger rotate passes the next gesture through the windows. Five-finger tap JAWS Manager dialog box. If the gesture mode is not already set to touch, when this command is used, the mode is set to touch. Five-finger double tap. JAWS window. If the gesture mode is not already set to touch, when this command is used, the mode is set to touch. Five-finger triple tap. Shut down JAWS if the gesture mode is not already set to touch. When this command is used, the mode is set to touch. 5-finger rotate toggle JAWS gestures off and on.